Tyson. You're cheating. Sit down.
All right, everybody. So does everybody know what we're gonna do today?
Yes.
Well, I don't think you're.
Chairs.
No, not really. It's gonna be last. Well, it is gonna be musical chairs, but we're doing the last to sit challenge. And there's Rocky.
And we're at Nana's house too.
Okay, but you see how you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing? Just stand still. Zyric, get over here or you're not gonna play. Okay, everybody look here or we're not playing. So, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play music. When the music stops, what do?
Get in your chair.
You sit down in the chair. Every time, every round, I'm gonna take a chair away, okay? All right, so you have to listen for the music. Listen for the music, and then that's when you sit down. And each round, I'm gonna add something on the ground. That's why we have the tarp on the ground, okay? All right, so let's get started. You gotta sit down as soon as I say stop. You gotta sit down, okay? If you don't get a chair, because I'm about to take a chair away, then that means you're out, okay? Got it? Okay, so now I'm gonna make it a little interesting for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some water and some soap on the ground, so it's gonna be hard and kind of slippery for you to walk. Don't run, just walk. Got it? Walk around. Just randomly unplug it.
Alexa, stop.
Evonna, you out. All right. Okay, next round. So this time we added slime on the ground. So let's see if we can make it through water, soap, and slime. Go ahead. It's on, guys. Oh, Zyric, you out. Okay, so next, this is the last round. Who you think gonna win? Are you gonna win, Tyson?
Guys, comment down below because y'all know it's me.
It's gonna be a shot. A shot, you gonna win? We gonna see. We putting shaving cream down.
We're champions.
Okay, stay still.
Put a whole line on it. Yeah, we gotta clean this up. Let's do it. Get one of those too. Charlie, what chair? Get a chair. Move that way.
All right, guys, last round, and this is it. Who's gonna be the winner? No, who's gonna be the winner?
Me.
Okay.
It's me.
Alexa, play peanut butter jelly.
Yay!
And you gotta go fast.
Peanut butter jelly tea. By Chip Man and the Buck Report on Amazon Music.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Yeah. You won, yay. Okay, go over there, Evonna. Go over there. You won. So who's the winner, guys?
Me.
All right, was that a fun challenge?
Yes.
All right, give me a high five. I got slime on me. Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to shut this video down. It's over with. We had fun. What do you want to say to your subscribers?
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.